Most gamers waste money when building a gaming PC. Here are 3 mistakes to avoid. Number 1. Spending too much on the CPU while ignoring the graphics card. Games rely more on GPU power, so without a good one, your FPS stays low. Number 2. Buying a cheap power supply. It can cause crashes or even damage your PC. Always choose a reliable PSU with at least 100 watts more than your system needs. Number 3. Ignoring cooling. Without airflow, your system overheats and slows down. Avoid these mistakes and your PC will run much better. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.